Hey there, it's Melanie from the dev team with a quick update. We have added a new recipe or template for the workflows for the auto missed call text back feature. If you navigate to the workflow builder and click create workflow here in the top right, you will then be able to select from these pre-made recipes or templates for workflows. So we're going to choose this auto missed call text back. This means if you miss a call from the lead, you can automatically reply to them with a text message, as well as notifying the assigned user to get back to that lead while they're warm, ASAP. So we're going to go ahead and select that, scroll back up to the top, and click Create New Workflow. Now the workflow is going to be built as a template here in the builder, and we can completely customize whatever we'd like, but this template is already here. So the action that's going to trigger this workflow is going to be right here in this gray box. If an incoming call is missed, busy, or voicemail, this workflow will happen. So the first thing is there is going to be a slight delay timer. By default, it is 0.2 minutes. You can update this however you'd like. If you make any changes, just be sure to click Save down here on the right. It will also assign the contact to a user, and you can select a contact tag that you may want to add. And then the next piece is going to be the SMS to the lead. So here there is already a template. Hey there, sorry we missed your call, how can we help? You can customize this, you can add custom values, trigger links, additional text, even an attachment. Once you've made any changes, click Save here in the bottom right. The next piece of the workflow is that a push notification will go out to the assigned user, which is done up here, and then an internal SMS to the assigned user. By default, this is what the message will say. Hey, you just missed a call from blank. Please get back to them ASAP before the lead gets cold. Again, you can completely customize this communication here. Click Save to confirm any changes. And that's the default template for this workflow. You can add or change whatever you'd like. Make sure to save any changes that you've made. And when you're ready to use the workflow, toggle this from draft to publish mode. That's all for now, and I'll be sharing more updates as they come. Thanks!